Hey there, welcome to Adorama TV. I am Daniel Norton here with Marissa. Somehow she always manages to sneak in. We're gonna do some nice portraits with the brand new Flashpoint 600 SE, that special edition. If you're familiar with the Flashpoint 600 of past, super reliable, affordable light to get into professional lighting, this is the same, updated with newer technology. We've got a few cool features in here that are carryover, some stuff that's been improved, so let's go through it. The 600 SE is a battery-powered light. You get about 500 full-powered flashes per charge. It takes about 2 hours to charge the battery. Battery power is really becoming the standard now, even in studios. No cables to trip over, super convenient. Speaking of no wires, this has a built-in R2 remote. So we can fire this remotely with the standard kind of Flashpoint R2 controller, 2.4 gigahertz, with about a 250 foot range. If you are shooting portraits or anything that's moving, you've got high-speed sync if you want to get that nice shallow depth of field, but still have a really fast shutter speed. You've also got incredibly fast recycle, so you can just shoot as fast as you like. The 600 SE has a 40-watt LED modeling light, which is great for lining up your shots and seeing exactly what you're going to get. And it comes with a Bowens mount, which gives you tons of accessory options. So we're making some portraits today, but these lights will also be great for any kind of e-commerce studio or product photography. You've got built-in masking in the unit if you want to use that. You have multi-pop. And again, with 600 watt seconds, that's going to give you a lot of power to get a lot of detail in your product. In addition to the radio, there's also an optical trigger in here, and it's set up so it will not be tricked by pre-flash. Really important when you want to mix it with a lot of other lights. Also, these lights are fan cooled, and that's going to help keep consistent color. All right, just wrapped up the shoot with Marissa and the Flashpoint 600 SE. It worked flawlessly. Using the remote and a handheld meter, I was able to set my exposure quickly, and being able to see my flash duration and power in that large screen on the side was super useful. If you have any questions about this light, make a comment below and we'll do our best to answer it. Also, check the description, you'll find all the specs if you didn't take notes as we were going. Also, what channel is this light on? That's a trick question. Be sure to subscribe to Adorama TV and ring the bell so you get notifications for future videos. I'll see you next time.